Hello children, today in this video we will learn place value in decimal numbers. As you can see, like counting numbers, the value of every digit in decimal numbers depend on the place it holds in the place value chart. As you can see place value chart here. The place value of a digit gets multiplied by 10 as we move to the left of the decimal point. When we move to the left of the decimal point, the place value of a digit gets multiplied by 10 and the place value of a digit gets divided by 10 as we move to the right of the decimal point. As you can see, tens means 1 by 10, hundredths means 1 by 100, thousands means 1 by 1000. So in place value chart, we will take decimal point in the middle and then to its left we will begin with ones, tens, hundreds, and to its right side we will begin with tens, hundreds, thousands. So without wasting time, we will begin exercise 3B. This place value chart is given in page number 56 of Maths Orbit. You can open your Maths Orbit in page number 56. You will get this place value chart. As you can see, I have already made place value chart. So we will solve question number 1 now. And question number 1 is write the following numbers in the place value chart. So when you will make place value chart, you have to write number at first, then hundred, tens, ones in between decimal point. And to its right side, it will be tens, hundreds and thousands. Where tenth means 1 by 10, hundreds means 1 by 100 and thousands means 1 by 1000. Let's begin it. We have 0.23. So we will always begin with decimal point. So we will put decimal point at first. Then we will write the digits to its left, that is 0. So we will write in ones place 0. And then we will write the digits towards its right side. So we will begin with 2. It means it will be 2 tenths. Then 3 hundredths. So it will be 0.23. 0 will be in ones place, 2 will be in tenths place and 3 will be in hundredths place. Next we have 0.865. So again we will begin from decimal point. So we will put decimal point, then we will write 0 towards its left. It means in ones place we will write 0. Then we will write the digits towards its right. So we'll begin with 8 tenths, 6 hundredths and 5 thousandths. We have next, that is 3.675. So we'll begin with decimal point. Then we will write 3 and to its right side we will write 675. 6 tenths, 7 hundredths and 5 thousandths. Next we have 67.235. So we will write decimal point at first. Then we will write 7 in ones place, 6 in tens place, 2 in tenths place, 3 in hundreds place and 5 in thousands place. So, place value of 2 will be 2 tenths, means 2 by 10. 3 will be 3 hundredths, means 3 by 100. 5 will be 5 thousandths, means 5 by 1000. Here, place value of 2 will be 2 by 10. 3 will be 3 by 100. 8 will be 8 by 10. 6 by 100. 5 by 1000. 6 by 10 because 6 tenths. 7 by 100 because 7 hundredths, and 5 by 1000 because 5000. Now let's solve question number 2. Write the place value of 5 in each of the following. Question number 2a, 23.45. So here we will write the place value of 5. You can see after decimal point we have 4 5. So place value of 4 will be 4 tenths, means 4 by 10, and place value of 5 will be 5 hundredths, means 5 by 100. Or you can write 5 hundredths. Then we have 1.5. Next is 1.5. Since we have to find out the place value of 5, so we will underline 5. And place value of 5 will be after decimal point 5 by 10th, because it is tenths place. So it will be 5 by 10. Or you can write 5 tenths. Next number we have 15.67. So we will find out place value of 5. So just because it is before decimal point, so it is 5 ones. So we will write only 5, or you can write 5 ones. Number E, 36.592. We will find out place value of 5. So we will write 5, and after decimal point it is given towards its right. So its place value will be tenths. So it will be 5 by 10 or 5 tenths. You can write here FIVE 5 also. Alright children, please try to solve exercise 3B, question number 1, C, D, E, G, I, J, question number 2, C, F, G, H. Don't forget to learn multiplication table from 2 to 17. In next video, we will try to begin multiplication table of 18. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling. Thank you.